Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to make dried shrimp fry. It's a really delicious recipe and we're going to show you how to make it at home. In a heavy bottom pan, add 200 grams of dried shrimp. For better results, use good quality shrimp. Slightly heat the shrimp on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the shrimp to a bowl. Remove the head of the shrimp. Add the cleaned shrimp into a clay pot. Along with 2 tablespoons of ginger julienne, 2 tablespoons of garlic julienne. Now add 3 tablespoons of sliced shallots along with 4 green chilies, 125 grams of coconut slices, and add soaked kokum. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and you can add salt to taste. Mix it and add 200 ml of water. Cover it and cook it on medium-high flame. Once it starts to boil, reduce the flame and stir occasionally. Cook the shrimp until it turns dry. And now remove the kokum and keep the shrimp aside. In a heavy bottom pan, add 100 ml of coconut oil and splatter 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Now add a few curry leaves and add the cooked shrimp and fry it on medium heat. Stir occasionally. Now add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and fry it for a couple of minutes more and transfer it to a plate. It's a great combo with cocktails and any rice dish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.